What's good YouTube? I'm Nelson Bills. Welcome back to Adulting 101.
What have I been up to since the last video? So I've been in the gym. Seriously though, I've been up to quite a lot of things. Follow me on Instagram, Nelson Bills. Twitter's the same thing. All the links will be down below. In our series, we've been through building your credit score, saving using the Help to Buy ISA, budgeting and saving using the stocks and shares ISA. But in today's episode, we're going to be talking about getting your money up. What do I mean by getting your money up? So as I mentioned before, I didn't finish with a first class degree from a Russell Group uni, but I still managed to get a decent enough job with a salary high enough for me to get my first property. And you can too. When you finish full-time education, you get your first job, you're on 18, maybe 20k, maybe you're on a graduate scheme for 25k, and you feel like you've done a good job, and you have. I mean, it's a good achievement to go from 0 to 20, 25 grand. According to payscale.com, the average salary in London is 35 grand. So you've done a great thing moving from 0 as a student to 25k, but in the grand scale of things, you're still below average. So the first step is to get above average, above 35k in London. So in order to get on the property ladder comfortably, you need to earn above average. That's above 35k. I know I say it like it's easy. It's not easy, but it's easier than you think. So here's 2 easy steps to earn above 35k in London. Number 1, do your job for more money. Wherever you're working, there'll be another company that will pay you more to do that job. So be proactive, look on job sites, sign up for agencies, and see if you can get paid to do your job more than 35k. Number 2, learn a skill that pays over 35k. Again, be proactive, look online for jobs on LinkedIn, on Reed, Indeed, all the job sites, and filter it by jobs over 35k. You don't want anything less than that. Pick up the recurring skills, pick up something that's in your field, and see the recurring skill that comes up for the pay that you want. Learn that skill. Sometimes it may require investing in a course or reading a book, but it's worth it in the end if you want to get on the property ladder and if you want to earn over 35k. So this week, if you sign up to the mailing list, I'm going to send you a CV template that I use personally to get my first job above average salary in London. So sign up to the mailing list, make sure you follow me on Instagram, like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.